As long as you work for money, you will own nothing and control nothing. You will continue to operate how you operate, continue to feel financially trapped. Just like the fortune teller told the man who went to see about his fortune, I have good news and I have bad news. He said, give me the bad news first. You will work forever and be poor. He said, well, sheesh, well, what's the good news? You'll get used to it. So as long as you all don't understand these abstract concepts, not only will you stay poor, but you will get used to it. Poor, I'm not talking about your economics. I'm saying passing over opportunities repeatedly. This is why I tell people, I don't come on here and try to convince people to work with me, to join my programs. I'll be fine because I know the system. Trust me, I'll be fine. I come on here to share information and tell you don't even have to believe a word Will Roundtree say. Go and research it for yourself. Go and research it for yourself.